Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 1099 DIV forms from Schwab, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your 1099 DIV forms from Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the top menu and select the Accounts tab. In the drop-down menu, look for Documents or Statements. Click on this option to access your financial documents. Locate the section for tax documents or specifically 1099 forms. Find the 1099 DIV form for the relevant tax year. Download the PDF version of your 1099 DIV form. Open the downloaded PDF file using a reliable PDF reader. Review the form carefully, checking for your personal information, such as name and address. Verify that all dividend income distributions are accurately reported. Cross-reference the amounts listed on the 1099 DIV with your own records or brokerage statements. If you notice any discrepancies, gather documentation to support your claim. Contact Schwab's customer service for assistance if needed. They can help clarify any questions or issues you encounter. Once you verify that your information is correct, keep a copy for your records. Make sure to file your taxes accurately using this information. Be aware of any deadlines associated with tax filings to avoid penalties. This process ensures that your 1099 DIV forms are accurate and ready for tax submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.